Hi everybody! Today Maisie and I are going to read you a fun story called Butterfly, and we're going to learn a little bit more about butterflies. This is a non-fiction book, which means that it's a book about something real. So this book is going to give us a lot of facts and information. Many of the time we can tell that a book is non-fiction if it has a real photograph on the cover instead of an illustration. Let's take a look. What is a butterfly? A butterfly is an insect that has 4 wings. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. It uses those wings to fly. 2 eyes that are right over here, and 6 legs. Because as we know, all insects have 6 legs. Wow. Caterpillars. A butterfly's eggs usually hatch after around 1 week. Hatch means when they come out of the egg. The hungry caterpillars chew holes in their eggshells and wriggle out of them. Wow, just like this. That's how our caterpillars were born. Caterpillars have 12 eyes and 6 legs. Some caterpillars are brightly colored. Some have stripes. And some are hairy. Which caterpillars did ours look like? Kind of a combination, maybe. Maybe closer to the first one. They looked a little different. Growing caterpillars. The caterpillar is very hungry and eats the leaves around for food. It needs a lot of food to grow big and strong. So a cool fact that I learned is that as soon as the caterpillar hatches from the egg, it actually eats the egg. It actually eats the leaf that it was born on. That's its first meal. It munches on that. How cool. The caterpillar grows so quickly that its skin gets too tight for its body. It sheds old skin and grows a new, bigger skin underneath. So take a look. This caterpillar has shed that old skin and now it has a brand new skin. Think of it kind of like the way that we buy clothes. When we grow out of clothes, we buy new clothes because the old clothes are too tight for us. So this skin is kind of like their clothes, and as they grow and grow, they shed it and they have a new one. Pretty cool. Changing caterpillars. Once the caterpillar has grown enough, it makes a hard shell around its soft body. And it becomes do you remember what it's called?
A butterfly.
A chrysalis. Let's say that. Chrysalis. The chrysalis is the pupa stage of a butterfly's life cycle. So this is when it's a pupa. I know that's a lot of new and kind of weird sounding words, but it's the pupa stage, and this is the chrysalis. We saw our butterflies or our caterpillars make themselves into nice and safe into it. Inside the chrysalis, the pupa changes into a butterfly. The chrysalis often changes color as the pupa turns into a butterfly. So the chrysalis is where all the transformation and the metamorphosis happens. Amazing. Butterflies. When the caterpillar is ready, the chrysalis breaks open and a butterfly comes out. The butterfly rests its body and waits for its wings to dry. Once it has rested, it flies away and looks for food. So once it emerges, it's tired, it's a little bit wet because of what happened inside the chrysalis, so it needs to dry off. And then it goes and hunts for food.
Mommy, need you to hug me.
Brilliant butterflies. Butterfly wings can be colorful and can have lots of patterns on them.
Mommy,
Take a look at this butterfly.
Mommy,
Maisie's joined us for this part of the story. Okay. Looking for food.
looking for food.
Butterflies drink a sugary liquid called nectar for their food. Nectar is found in flowers. So here's a butterfly drinking nectar. Butterflies look for brightly colored flowers to find nectar. They use their tongues, which they use like a straw. There's the proboscis, or their tongue, drinking up the nectar.
But I can't
Wow.
see. I can't see.
What a great book.
I want to read it to you.